Our letter this week is a vowel, and it's the letter E. I'm going to show you how to make the letter E, but before I do, let's go over the sound again because it's really important that you make the E sound correctly. E says this, eh, eh, eh. It doesn't say ah because that's A. It doesn't say I because that's I. It says eh, eh, eh. The corners of your mouth go back when you say that sound. So a capital E goes like this. You start at the ceiling, you make a straight line down, ribbit, you go back to the ceiling, you make a line coming out the top, ribbit, you make a line coming out on the dotted line, ribbit, and you make another line coming out the bottom like that. Okay, so there's a lot of ribbit. It goes down, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. E. These are capital E's. Straight line down from the ceiling down to the basement. First line is at the top. Next line is in the middle. Last line is at the bottom. Lowercase e is a little more tricky. Please just remember when you start your letters, you always need to start at the top of your letter. So if you're starting at the bottom, that's not the right way. Another thing that kids like to do is they like to make a C and then close that top part. Please don't make it that way either. This is the way that I would like you to make E. You go in between the dotted line and the bottom line and you make a straight line coming out like this. Like you hit the ball out and then you go up, touch that dotted line, go around the bases. But don't go home because don't close it up. So watch, you hit the ball out, up, and around the bases. This is the letter E. Hit the ball out, up, and around the bases. The ball out, up, and around the bases. All right, so this is capital E and lowercase e. Lowercase e is underneath the dotted line. Capital E touches the ceiling in the basement. Okay, now our word this week is have. So we're going to write a sentence using that word, the word have. So you could say like, I, make a space, have, and this is our word, H, H, A, V. And then there's a silent E. You cannot hear this E, it's silent, but it is there. You have to remember that it's there. I have, make a space, let's do lots, now that word I just sounded out. I have lots of, this is how you spell of, O-F. It'll be a sight word, but not until later. I have lots of, space, toys. Oi, whenever you hear oi, it's O-Y. Sometimes it's O-I, but this one's O-Y. Toys. I have lots of toys. Ooh, I'm gonna make an exclamation point because I'm excited about that. I have lots of toys. Our word is have.